3 o'clock, 100 yards.
Okay, and say?
Roger, hold at 180. 45 with line.
2 o'clock.
30. Roger. Ready to engage. Wings level. Alright, engage.
Coming in closer.
Oh, it's now it's at about 3 o'clock.
2 to 3 o'clock.
Now it's at 3.
Safe site.
Welcome to All Hands Update. I'm Petty Officer Jonathan Pancall. These are your headlines from around the fleet. An MH-60S helicopter from Helicopter C Combat Squadron 26 crashed in Kuwait December 21st. The helicopter crew was conducting an overland training flight. All 6 personnel on the helicopter survived the crash and were transported to nearby medical facilities for treatment before being released. The crash was not a result of hostile activity and is under investigation. The Naval Sea Systems Command headquarters at the Washington Navy Yard is on track to reopen in February 2015. NAVSEA continues to complete its mission despite being displaced from the headquarters after the shooting on September 16, 2013. The 16-month renovation is on schedule and cost the Navy approximately $44 million. The new building is designed to give employees a new sense of place and will also incorporate an area memorializing the shooting victims.
Welcome to All Hands Update. I'm Petty Officer Andrew Johnson. These are your headlines from around the fleet. An MH-60R Seahawk helicopter crew from Helicopter Maritime Strike Squadron 46 rescued a USS New York sailor at sea September 11th. The New York initiated the search after the sailor failed to report to muster. USS Jason Dunham, USS Vicksburg, and Coast Guard cutter Tybee also participated in the search and rescue efforts. The sailor was spotted by helicopter and recovered by a search and rescue swimmer before being taken back to USS New York for medical treatment. Chief of Naval Operations Admiral Jonathan Greenert and MCPON Mike Stevens will host a live all-hands call October 7th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. The two Navy leaders want to answer questions from sailors throughout the fleet. If you have questions for CNO and MCPON, submit them by email to socialmedia@navy.mil.
Aviation leaders and aircrewmen attended the annual Naval Helicopter Association Symposium in San Diego to discuss topics affecting the fleet, including the deployment of unmanned aerial vehicles and naval vessels.
It's an opportunity for the helicopter community to meet annually that come together in this conference to talk about the past, the present, and the future of helicopter naval operations, which is very exciting.
The theme for this year is Ready Warfighters, the employment of rotary wing strike capabilities.
This is a great time to be a naval aviator, to be a naval air crewman. I can't think of a time in our history when the relevance of the helicopter community has been more prevalent than it is today.
From San Diego, I'm Petty Officer Claire Ford.